Hi, it's Dr. Kate, and welcome to my home, and also welcome to a little bit of my life. Have you ever wondered why things seem to connect in a certain way in your life, different experiences? Well, I've found that in my years that this has happened often, and I'm just going to share with you a little bit that talks about me and my connection to a phrase that we hear really all too often. So let me show you my images. These are images related to the phrase shooting incident. Now, shooting incident seems to be happening far too often in our country, but I wanted to go with you on a bit of a journey about how this relates in my own life. The upper left is the Sikh temple incident that occurred a few years back in Oak Creek, Wisconsin, which is where I'm from. It happened to be the day I wasn't in town. Really, the only full day I wasn't in town for the entire summer. This occurred, and the picture I'm showing you is of some SWAT team members, one of which is my daughter Dawn. And she was part of the, I guess, rescue, if you will, of various folks that were trapped in the temple when the person was shooting for really no apparent reason. So that just has struck a memory in me that will probably last me a lifetime. And then, interestingly, not much longer after that, I was at a Walmart here in Whitewater, and I had done some shopping, what they call site to store. So I was picking up items, and the register wasn't functioning correctly at the customer service. And somebody came over. I remember the gentleman just pressing a bunch of buttons, and then it opened, and he walked away. Well, one of the buttons he printed was a code brown. And as it turns out, a code brown means there's a shooting incident at the register. So as that button was hit, I saw people's headsets going off and people looking at their name tags. It must be a code identifier on the back of it as to what that meant. And so people started running around, and finally a manager came sauntering up to my register where I was, which was the apparent shooting incident, and said, "Well, are you okay over here?" And that probably wasn't protocol, but it definitely left an impression, I can tell you that. With everyone in the store, and certainly the employees, I got pointed out for weeks after that as that's the one who set off the code brown in the store. So again, those things sort of stayed with me. And then sadly, we just had that Orlando nightclub massacre, which again was a shooting incident of, such a degree as never before been in the United States. And the picture I have here is someone from the emergency response team, or SWAT team, which again links to my daughter and her involvement with saving people with the Sikh temple massacre. So, all in all, I just wanted to share a bit with you about how symbols and verbal communication can really change someone and impact them in ways that others don't know, unless, of course, you tell the story like I am now. So I look forward to listening to your stories and to sharing with you some about the process of communication coming up.